Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone was doing great. In this video, I'm going to share you a digital marketing roadmap. See, because nowadays and in future also, this digital marketing career is a very good and a bright future. So if you want to become a digital marketer, or if you want to build a digital marketing agency, anything, or else if you want to become a digital marketing freelancer, don't skip this video anywhere. I'll going to explain in a 10 points. So follow these 10 points if you want to become a good digital marketing. So before going into the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And now coming to the first point is you should understand digital marketing basics. See, because in digital marketing there are many subjects like search engine optimization, social media marketing, or a Google Ads, or email marketing, or a content writer. Like all these comes under a digital marketing. So you should know about all these as a beginner. You should know everything. You should aware of every subject under digital marketing in a starting stage. Coming to the second stage, you should be get educated. This mean like some people may like to learn in online, some people may like to learn in offline. It depends on you and depends on your budget. You should learn from anywhere, or else the online platforms like a Google Digital Garage or an Udemy or HubSpot. Here you will get a certificates also. In this way, like on your wish, you can prefer or online offline. You should get educated after learning the basics from YouTube. You should get educated from an institute or else an online course, because you may get a good idea and a good knowledge if you're joining to any institute or any online course. And coming to the third point, choose your specialization. See, as I said in the first point, under digital marketing, there are many subjects like SEO or Google Ads, email marketing, or social media marketing. You should not be expert in everything. You should know about all these, but in one subject, you should be an expert. So you should select any one subject to become an expert. The fourth point is a build a practical skills. Practical skills in the sense like after learning specialization. For an example, you are specialized in social media marketing, then contact your friends or any relatives whether they had any business, then ask them to try the social media marketing, explain what is exactly social media marketing and digital marketing to them. So there may be chances to get a client. You may work as a free for them, because you will get a portfolio, right? So work for free for them in initial stages. Then after getting a good portfolio, you can charge the clients. In that way, from relatives or any friends, you should get a first clients. And fifth point is a create a portfolio. Portfolio in the sense you should not share any kind of links like a drive links and all. You should share your website link when you're a full-fledged digital marketer. You should create a website and you should update your portfolio in that particular website, and you should share that website link to clients to know about your previous work. This is about the creating a portfolio. Portfolio is a very important portfolio website. I'm highlighting this portfolio website is a very important for you. And the sixth point is a networking. Building a network is a very important digital marketing career. So, like from LinkedIn or any other social media, you should start building network. Try to attend some workshops and all. Then you will get a very good network for you. It will be very helpful to you in your digital marketing career. See, because like nowadays every brand needs a digital marketer. So if you're attending these kind of workshops, maybe you can find other brand people or other business people there. They, for them, maybe your digital marketing services will be useful. So I'm requesting you to attend some workshops and try to connect in LinkedIn also. This is also a very good option. And now coming to the seventh point is you should be updated in digital marketing. See, digital marketing is not a one-time learning skill. You should be aware and you should gain knowledge every time. You should keep on learning this digital marketing. So you should be updated in digital marketing by reading some blogs, industrial blogs, and some YouTube videos or any some podcast. And eighth point is get certificates. If you want to work with some startup, then they'll ask a certificate for you. So you should learn from online or any institute to get a certificate, because like if you want a job, then they'll ask your certificates and your previous works. So skills and certificates are very important if you want to get to a job, or else if you want to become a freelancer, then the skills are more than enough. And on to the ninth one is apply for jobs. Say for applying these jobs, there are many platforms like a Naukri and a LinkedIn. There you can apply for the digital marketing jobs, but before applying you should optimize your profile, LinkedIn profile, very clearly with your skills and with your certificates and with the experience, means what you worked, and you should mention your portfolio website. All these should be updated in LinkedIn. Then it will be easy to consider by the HR or that particular company to select you. So to apply these jobs, don't forget to optimize your LinkedIn and try to get apply through a LinkedIn. And now coming to the last point, the 10th point is freelancing. See, I said about the jobs. To get a good job, you need a good skill, and they may ask a certificate. But freelancing, totally skills are important, and you should build a portfolio. In initial stages, you may work for free. So building a portfolio is a very important. With that, you may get a freelancing works. To become a good freelancer, you should be specialized in any one subject under this digital marketing, like any SEO or SMM or Google Ads or email marketing, anything, or a content writer. You should be specialized in only one thing. Then it's easy to get a freelancing works for you. For this, you can start a cold mailing to the companies by getting mail, by getting the mail IDs from a LinkedIn profile, and also you can DM in Instagram. Some pages may, I mean, some companies may reply you. So in this way, by cold mailing and cold messaging, you can get a freelancing clients. I think I covered all the 10 points. So if you skipped anywhere, don't skip this. Again, go back and watch the full video. And that's it for today's video. This is the best roadmap to build a good career in digital marketing. So if you're visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.